Today we're going to teach you how to safely put on upper body clothes, such as a shirt or a jacket, after shoulder surgery. For the first 6 weeks after shoulder surgery, it's important that you don't actively move your arm using your shoulder muscles. When putting on a shirt or jacket, first take your sling off and let your arm hang limp at your side. Then, keeping your arm limp, slide the sleeve over your operative arm. Then bring the shirt or jacket over your back. And finally, put your non-operative arm in. Once your shirt or jacket is on, you can put your sling back on.